Have you ever walked into a store, found exactly what you wanted, and then suddenly forgot how to speak English? You know, the thing you want, but when the salesperson asks, "Can I help you?" your brain goes completely blank.
Oh, yes, that happens. You walk in feeling confident, and then someone says, "Are you looking for something?" And you're like, yes.
Exactly. And sometimes you know the word in your own language, but you just can't remember it in English.
That's the worst, especially when you're trying to explain what you want. You know the color, the size, maybe the style, but putting it all together feels difficult.
Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Shopping in English. Not difficult English, real English you can actually use when you're in a store.
And we're going shopping today, Emily.
We are?
Yes, you need something, remember?
Oh no, don't remind me. I need a new jacket.
A new jacket? What's wrong with your old one?
A lot, actually. The zipper is broken, one pocket is coming off, and yesterday I noticed a small hole near the sleeve.
Oh, wow, so your jacket is basically asking for retirement.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's time to say goodbye.
Okay, so we're going to a clothing store. What kind of jacket do you want?
That's the problem. I don't really know.
Really?
I know I want a jacket, but that's about it.
Okay, let's make it simple. What color?
Maybe black.
Maybe?
Or dark blue. I like dark blue too.
What size?
Medium, probably.
And how much do you want to spend?
Oh, that's an important question.
Yes, you can't just walk into a store and say, "Give me the nicest jacket,"
Why not? That sounds easy.
because the nicest jacket might cost $500.
Oh, good point. So, what's your budget?
Maybe $60. I don't want anything too expensive.
Great. So, you want a black or dark blue jacket, medium size, around $60. Yes, see? Now I know what I want.
And that's already useful English. You can say, "I'm looking for a jacket."
I'm looking for a jacket.
Exactly. And if someone asks what kind, you can say, "I'm looking for a black jacket."
Or I'm looking for a dark blue jacket.
Right, simple.
I like that. But what if the salesperson comes over and asks me a question?
They probably will.
That's what I'm worried about.
Why?
Because sometimes they talk quickly.
Oh, that's true. You might hear, "Can I help you find anything?"
And I might hear, blah, 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 jacket?
Emily.
I'm serious.
Okay. If you don't understand, you don't need to panic. Just say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Sorry, could you say that again?
Yes, that's very natural.
So I don't have to pretend I understand.
Absolutely not. That's one of the biggest problems. People smile and say yes even when they have no idea what the other person said.
Oh no, I've done that.
Me too.
And then you don't know what happens next.
Exactly. So if you don't understand, simply say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Okay, I feel better already.
Good. Now let's imagine we're in the store.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay. I'm walking into the store.
And I'm the salesperson.
Oh, that's dangerous.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Oh, hello. Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket are you looking for?
I'm looking for a dark blue jacket. Maybe black.
We have several jackets over here. What size do you need?
I need a medium.
Great. Let me show you some medium jackets.
See? That wasn't too hard.
No, because you already knew what to say.
But now I have another problem.
What?
I don't know if I see a jacket I like, but I don't know if it will fit.
Ah, very important.
I don't want to buy it and then discover that it's too small.
Then you can ask, "Can I try this on?"
Can I try this on?
Exactly.
So if I see a jacket I like, I can pick it up and say, "Can I try this on?"
Yes, the salesperson might say, "Sure, the fitting rooms are over there."
Fitting room.
Right, that's the small room where you try on clothes.
Okay, I know that place. It's usually the place where I take 5 shirts into the room and buy none of them.
That's not just you.
Really?
Really.
Oh, good. I don't feel so bad now.
Okay, let's practice that one naturally. Imagine you find a jacket.
All right.
You pick it up and say,
Can I try this on?
"Perfect."
Everyone say it with us. Can I try this on?
Again, a little more naturally. Can I try this on?
Good. That's a sentence you can actually use in a store.
And you can use it for almost any piece of clothing.
A shirt?
Can I try this on?
Pants.
Can I try these on?
A dress.
Can I try this on?
Nice. One simple question, lots of situations.
Exactly.
Okay, I try on the jacket.
And?
What's wrong?
It's too small.
Oh no.
I can't move my arms.
That's not a good sign.
I look like a robot.
Then don't buy it.
Good point.
But what do I say to the salesperson?
Easy. You can say, it's too small.
It's too small.
Or, do you have a larger size?
Oh, that's useful.
Very useful. You try on a shirt, it's too small. Do you have a larger size?
And if it's too big?
Do you have a smaller size?
That's easy.
Yes, small, medium, large. These words come up all the time when you're shopping.
What if the jacket feels good, but the sleeves are too long?
You can say, the sleeves are too long.
And if they're too short?
The sleeves are too short.
So I can explain the problem instead of just saying no.
Exactly. You don't need complicated English. You just need a few clear sentences.
That's actually what makes shopping difficult sometimes. You don't need a huge vocabulary, you just need the right words at the right moment.
That's true.
Okay, let's say I find another jacket.
What color?
Dark blue.
Size?
Medium.
Price?
$65.
That's close to your budget.
A little higher than I wanted.
So what can you ask?
How much is it?
You can ask that, but there's an easier way if the price is already on the jacket.
Oh, right.
You can ask, is this on sale?
Ah, that's a very useful question.
Definitely.
Is this on sale?
Exactly.
Everyone say it once. Is this on sale?
Nice and easy.
And if the salesperson says, yes, it's 20% off, then
Then Emily suddenly loves the jacket.
maybe.
20% off means the price is reduced.
So if something's on sale, I might get it for less money.
That's right.
Okay, now I'm interested.
I knew it.
But wait, $65 is still a little expensive for me.
Then you have another option.
What?
You can ask, is there anything cheaper?
Oh, that's very direct.
Yes, but it's completely normal.
Is there anything cheaper?
Right.
So the salesperson might show me another jacket.
Exactly. Maybe it's $45.
And maybe I like it more.
That happens all the time.
Actually, I think that's a good way to shop. Don't just buy the first thing you see.
That's true. Look around, compare a few things, ask questions.
Compare. That's a useful word.
Yes, you can compare the price, the size, the color, and the quality.
Okay, so now I'm looking at 3 jackets.
3?
Black, dark blue, and gray.
Which one do you like?
I think I like the gray one.
But you said black or dark blue.
I changed my mind.
Of course you did.
That's part of shopping.
Fair enough.
But now I have another decision.
What is it?
I like the jacket, but I don't know if I should buy it.
Why not?
Because maybe I can find something better in another store.
Ah, now we're getting serious.
Exactly. I don't want to spend money and regret it later.
So what would you ask yourself?
Do I really need it?
Good question.
Do I like it?
Another good question.
Is the price okay?
Exactly.
And does it fit?
Very important.
So maybe shopping in English isn't only about talking to the salesperson.
That's a good point.
It's also about being able to explain what you want, ask questions, understand the answers, and make a decision.
Exactly. And the more you practice these little conversations, the easier shopping becomes.
I think I'm ready.
Ready for what?
To buy the jacket.
Wait, you haven't checked the price yet.
Oh, right.
And you haven't asked if there's a discount.
True.
And you haven't tried it on.
Oh no, I was about to make a terrible shopping decision.
Haha, good thing I'm here.
Okay, let's slow down. I pick up the jacket, I check the size. Medium.
Good.
I look at the price.
And? Emily?
It's $70.
70?
I know.
That's $10 more than your budget.
Exactly.
So what are you going to say?
I think I know.
Go ahead.
Is this on sale? Perfect. Now let's see what happens. Okay, Daniel, the jacket is $70, and I really don't want to spend that much. What should I do?
Don't worry. Just ask the salesperson, is this on sale?
Right. I walk over and say, "Excuse me, is this on sale?"
And the salesperson says, yes, it's 20% off.
Oh, now I feel much better. A discount can change everything.
It really can, but don't forget to check the final price before you buy it.
Good point. I can ask, "How much is it?"
Exactly. And if it's still too expensive, you can say, is there anything cheaper?
That's a really useful sentence. Sometimes you like something, but the price is just too high.
Right. You don't have to buy the first thing you see. Look around and compare a few things.
So I look at the black jacket, the blue jacket, and the gray jacket.
Which one do you like best?
The gray one.
But 5 minutes ago you wanted a black jacket.
I changed my mind.
That's shopping.
Exactly. But before I buy it, I want to try it on.
So what do you say?
Can I try this on?
Perfect.
And everyone listening, say it with us. Can I try this on?
One more time. Can I try this on?
Great. Now imagine you put the jacket on, but it's too small.
What do you say?
Do you have a larger size?
Exactly. And if it's too big,
Do you have a smaller size?
easy.
What if the size is perfect, but you don't like the color?
I could ask, do you have this in another color?
Very good. Oh, that's useful too. I can ask about the color without making a long sentence.
Exactly. Simple questions are often the best questions.
Okay, I try on the jacket again. It fits perfectly.
Nice.
I like the color. I like the style. The price is okay.
Sounds like you're buying it.
I think so.
Then you take it to the checkout.
Right. And now I have another question.
What is it?
What do I say at the checkout?
You don't need to say much. The cashier will usually tell you the total.
So I can simply listen and pay?
Yes, but you might hear, would you like a bag?
Oh, that's easy. Yes, please.
Or if you don't need one, no thank you.
That's simple enough.
And you might hear, how would you like to pay?
That's a little harder.
It just means they want to know how you want to pay.
So I could say, by card?
Exactly. Or, I'll pay by card.
I'll pay by card.
Good.
Everyone, say it once. I'll pay by card.
Nice and easy.
Okay, Daniel, I'm at the checkout. The cashier says your total is $52.
And then?
I'll pay by card.
Great.
The cashier gives me the bag.
And you walk away with your new jacket.
And $52 less in my bank account.
That's the dangerous part of shopping.
Very dangerous, especially when you see something else near the checkout.
Oh no, don't look.
Too late.
What did you find?
A pair of shoes.
Emily,
They look really nice.
you came for a jacket.
I know. I'm leaving.
Good. Emily?
Maybe I should just look at them.
No.
Okay. I'm leaving.
That's better.
You know, shopping can be a little stressful when you're learning English.
That's true. There can be lots of questions, prices, sizes, colors, and different words.
But you don't need to know every word.
Exactly. You just need useful sentences that you can remember and use.
Like, I'm looking for.
Can I try this on?
Do you have a larger size?
Is this on sale?
Is there anything cheaper?
And if you don't understand, sorry, could you say that again?
That's probably one of the most important ones.
Definitely. Don't be embarrassed to ask someone to repeat themselves.
And don't worry if your English isn't perfect.
Right. The goal is to communicate.
So today's practical takeaway is simple. Use short, clear sentences and ask questions when you need help.
And remember, confidence doesn't come before practice. Confidence comes from practicing.
That's true. The first time might feel difficult.
The second time feels a little easier.
And after many conversations, you may not even think about it anymore.
Exactly.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're in a clothing store. What would you say if you wanted to buy a new shirt?
Try answering in English in the comments. You can start with, I'm looking for.
And tell us what color or size you want.
For example, I'm looking for a blue shirt. I need a medium.
See? That's already a complete little shopping conversation.
Keep it simple, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to speak.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope you feel a little more comfortable speaking English in a real store.
And remember, small sentences can take you a long way.
Exactly. Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep practicing.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.